Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorial on games. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can change your name in your Epic Games account / Fortnite account. So firstly, in your browser you need to head over to epicgames.com, and after you have done that you'll see this icon right here, and after that you need to click on accounts. Once you're in accounts, you need to go over to the first settings called account settings, and in here you can see the display name right here. Since I have changed my display name already, you can only change it 2 weeks, so that's why I can't change it right now. But if you had an option to change it, it will look something like this, and when you click on it you can change your name. So in here it will say your name, so you can change it, and after that it will tell you to save changes. After you have done the save changes, your name will change and you can change it once again after 2 weeks. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please comment down below what video you guys want us to do, so we'll do that for you. And thank you for watching. See you guys next time.